Hello children, today I am gonna tell you the story of siblings and they are cooking together. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Let's read it. Oh, what is this? This is roll pin. This is bowl of colors. What is this? This is zipper. What is this? This is laundry bag. What is this? This is banana. What is this? I can see this is a cat and this is pan. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Hello, I am Henry and this is my little sister Eleanor, but I like to call her Elliebelly. Welcome to our show, Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Cooking. So they are all set to cook something. They are little chef. Today we will be making raspberry marshmallow peanut butter waffles with barbecue banana bacon. And now here is our theme song. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. This show is good. This show is great. We cook the food but not the plate. Ha 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 ha. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. She is Henry and he is he is Henry and she is Elliebelly. Cooking I help. Cooking I help. Elliebelly is saying cooking I help. Now before we get started with our recipes, we need to put on our chef hats. No chef hat, no chef hat, pirate hat, pirate hat. Elliebelly is saying, no chef hat, pirate hat. No, Elliebelly, this is a cooking show. Remember, we need to wear chef hats. Henry is saying to his sister Elliebelly, Elliebelly, this is cooking show. Do you remember that? We need to wear chef hats. Elliebelly is saying, no chef hat, no chef hat, pirate hat, pirate hat. This is chef hat, this is pirate hat. Okay, you can wear your pirate hat, I guess. Henny pirate hat, Henny pirate hat. Elliebelly saying to Henry. Mom! Henry is yelling. Mom! Mom is saying, what is it? Henry is saying, Elliebelly says I have to wear a pirate hat. Mom is saying, sweetie, she is only 2. You don't have to do what she says. And Elliebelly is saying, Henny pirate hat, Henny pirate hat. It means, Henny, please you wear pirate hat, not chef hat. Henry is saying, she won't stop saying it, Mom. Then Mom is saying, work it out, you too. Welcome back to Pirate Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Finally, Henry is with pirate hat in the cooking show. Baby Annie. Okay, welcome back to Pirate Cooking with Henry, Elliebelly and Baby Annie. Cooking. Now for raspberry marshmallow peanut butter waffles, you need to get the finest ingredients possible. We start with about 17 cups of imported flour from Kansas and mix it in a bowl with 2 2 jars of peanut butter, and 12 duck eggs. 12 duck eggs. Pizza, I help. No, you can't put pizza in it. Pizza, me, do it. Pizza. Elliebelly is very mischievous. She's saying, I'm gonna make pizza. I help. I have a pizza. I'm gonna put pizza in it. Pizza, me do it. Me do it. Then mix everything together with a whisk made of the finest metal possible. Baby Annie go swimming. Oh, Henry is confused what Elliebelly is doing with Annie. She has mixed everything together with a whisk made of the finest metal possible, and baby Annie is going for swimming. She is making her swimming. I don't know why. Mom, please help us. Henry is saying, we'll be back. We'll be right back. Baby Annie, take bath. That's right. Baby Annie is taking a bath in the washing machine. She will be back later in our show. Getting back to our waffles. Finally, they got back to their waffles recipe. Next, you have to count how many years old you are. That's how many marshmallows and raspberries you need to add. So, my waffle will have 5 of each, and Elliebelly's will only have 2 because she's only 2. Not 2, 5. 5 for Elliebelly. 5 for Elliebelly. Elliebelly is yelling. Not 2. Not 2. 5 for Elliebelly. Sorry, Elliebelly. That's what the recipe says. Henry is saying to Elliebelly. And now it's time for a commercial. But a car? A car? By a giraffe? By a rocket ship? By some pudding? Now. Now. Oh God. Welcome back. Now there are 2 ways you can make barbecue banana bacon. You can start with bacon and add bananas. Or you can start with bananas and add bacon. It's really up to you. And while that's in the oven, let's check on a wafer. You want them to be crisp but not crunchy, brown but not black, hot but not cold. Elliebelly saying, I help cook. Actually, Elliebelly, our food is just about ready. Maybe you could help me eat it. Eating, I help. Henry is gonna taste the food. Delicious. Where food, Henny? Elliebelly is asking to Henry. Where is the food, Henry? Well, it's just pretend food. He's just pretending. There is no food, but he's just pretending. And he's gonna taste it. Wow, it's delicious. We have to pretend to eat it, Elliebelly. No pretend food, a real food, Elliebelly is saying. Try a bite. You can really taste the marshmallow. Come into the dining room, Mom is saying. You too. I made you some real waffles. Real waffles? I help eat. Join us next time for Pirate Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. They are gonna go eat a real waffles. Baby Teresa and baby Teresa, bon appetit. They are going to eat a real waffles. Finally, their show is over. So this was the end of the story.